In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply cheats in all PSP games. Hello guys, and welcome back to Tech, a place where we share all ideas and tricks about gaming. Cheats can help you to unlock difficult missions, try levels, and also help your gameplay easier. For example, GTA Vice City. So, without wasting time, let's start our video. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to apply cheats in Need for Speed Most Wanted. First of all, you need to download the cheat code's zip file by clicking the link in the description and also the ZArchiver app from Play Store in order to extract the zip file. The second thing, we need to enable PSP cheats in PSP emulator. To do this, click on Settings, go to the System, and make sure the cheats option is checked or ticked. So make sure you copy this code, as it will help us locate the cheat code for this game. After that, click on Calculate CRC to make the game responsive to the cheats. After the cycle completes, you're going to open the ZArchiver app in the new window. Now, go to Downloads and locate the zip folder we downloaded for cheats. Now press and hold on the zip and click Extract here. Wait until the folder is extracted successful. Now, open the extracted folder, click the search option. Now, we are going to enter the last numbers found in our game version. 00196 is for Need for Speed Most Wanted. After entering the code, click Search, then choose the one matches your game by clicking and hold on it. Click Cut. Now click on the storage device, choose the PSP folder, click on Cheats, then Paste. But we need to remove the space at the beginning, so click and hold on the file. Choose Rename, then remove the space at the beginning. So let's check if the cheats are working. But if you have watched the video up to this end, make sure you like the video and press the subscribe button so that you don't miss useful videos like this. After the game open, check the cheats box available at the menu. Wow, it's working. Choose any cheat you want to apply. So I'm going to use the Max Cash and Max Respect. Now you can repeat the same process to all PSP games. Finally guys, thanks for watching. Let me see you in the next video.